Well, hey y'all, welcome to From Runway to Everyday Fashion. I wanted to try this out. Me and my team, hey girl, we thought of this concept since there were a couple of people kind of just asking in our email community. So we're gonna get right into it. I wanted to just tap in to see how y'all doing, how's your 2025 going. I have definitely been in on the go, on the move, moving. I relocated. I feel so good. And I don't know, I just feel really light and just in a new air. So if you guys definitely have to go check it out, definitely go check out or grab your tickets for the Play Up Your Fashion, Dress Your Success in Style for February 27th. And also, if you're not a part of the MIIEN tribe, which is our email community, definitely sign up so you can have a stylist in your inbox. And if you would like to contribute to this runway to everyday fashion, you definitely can. So this is where we're getting this from. So pretty much, if you are just fascinated with the runway looks, but you're an everyday type of person and you want to incorporate it in your everyday fashion style, where I'm going to just walk you through and kind of just give you the feel of how I would look for it. But since this is so general, I'm going to give you a very general overview so you kind of see. It's not going to be very specific, but it's just going to give you an overview. So the look we're going for is the Hermes Resort 2025 look number one. Specifically, this jacket, this overcoat, this mustard yellow overcoat. I'm not quite sure we're gonna see with the leather detailing, but we're gonna get close to it because this color is very beautiful. And also we're gonna tap into the tribal print. This is right here is a tribal print. Well, I'm not sure we're gonna get it exactly. I'm talking to you as if you're my client so that we can kind of get in your head, but we can get close to it, or we can or we could complement the jacket. So let's get started on, finding this inspiration as a style reference. All right, so right now I'm going to go straight to Google and kind of just type in mustard yellow pea coat because that's the color. It's best to put, the name of the color. I know I'm a stylist, I'm a fashion consultant and professional, so I would have the color, but I would tell you to put in mustard yellow pea coat because that is what it is. I don't want to be too specific on what type of coats because I want to give you guys just a wide variety, since this is a general and this is not like one-on-one personalized. I'm not sure what your style is or your body shape is, but I just want to give you again an overview. So depending on what your budget is, that would definitely be one of the questions, but I don't really shop none of my clients really shop at Shein, Amazon. Amazon are like quick fixes and definitely no Timo. But I don't go for these type of brands. But if that is what you are going for, go for it and kind of just shuffle through there. So I would go down and kind of see what different styles there are that resembles the Hermes type of coat. This one right here, even though this is from eBay is one of those secret weapons I like to kind of go on depending on what it is, but this is something that's close to or very reminiscent of the mustard yellow peacoat that we saw with Hermes. Or if you want to kind of change up the style but you really like the color, you can opt for more different coats. So that's why I was just saying this is definitely going to be a general overview. All right, so since this is what is coming up, we're going to move over to my next BFF, which is Pinterest. Pinterest, I know a lot of people think that this is just great to kind of just get ideas, but a lot of people get ideas as well as shop. This is like one of those places you kind of go if if Instagram is not working for you, then I strongly would tell you to go to Pinterest. Again, I'm going to put in mustard yellow pea coat and see what comes up. So when you go to Pinterest and you put this in there, make sure, I'm not sure if you have an account. If you don't, if you do have an account, make sure you use this drop down arrow and put all pins, because it will be stuck on your pins and only, show up in what you have in your profile. So make sure you put all pins, and see right here, see the first, you can shop mustard yellow pea coat. So that's what I was saying a little bit, that you can, if you are fashion brands or you want to shop, you can definitely do so, or just get an idea, you can do so. So these are brands that sell the products straight off of Pinterest. So I love the color of this. This is from Etsy. So I think this is a great option. Even though the previous one did not, this is a little bit on the green side, or maybe that's just the lighting, but even though this one did not have a belt, but you can take out the belt. This, I think this is a very, very close, but I would be a little skeptical because when she was moving, it looked a bit on the green side, like it had a green hint. Like a hint of green undertone. Yeah, see, green. These are the color options: black, caramel, green, beige, navy. We are looking for mustard yellow. So I know brands, use popular colors just so they can get SEO. But this right here, I paused it. This is green. This is green. Without me even looking at the thing, I said that it looked like green. That looks like a lemon lime type of green. And then this right here, you can change this in post production. I mean, I know that because I am in the fashion industry. So that is stuff that I would kind of just tell you if you were my client. Also, you're part of my community, so I'm telling you now. So I would just shuffle through here and kind of find some imitations here. So this is how I go about looking through. If it's just like a general quick type of ordeal, but if you were more specific, I am in touch with many different brands, so I would be able to kind of just go through their lookbooks that was sent to me exclusively. So just to give you some ideas, that is definitely a way. I love this collar. This collar is amazing. See, this is another brand that is selling their coat. Pinterest is like a secret weapon. I keep trying to tell people this. Sergio Hudson. This looks good. All right, so let's see what Instagram is working with. I don't really like to shop on Instagram. I like to kind of just get introduced to different brands. Yeah, Instagram for me is like a browsing site for me. I like to just get more acquainted with brands, see how they function, see how they are. But I don't feel like this site is like a shop. It's not like shoppable. I know they're trying to have features like it, but this is not like shoppable. It's not robust when I typed in mustard yellow. Like when we were on when we were on Pinterest, it showed that objects, that's the subject we were looking for. Now when we're on Instagram, it's kind of just, I don't know, I just don't find it very beneficial shopping. So I don't know, I like his Pico right here. But yeah, I don't feel like Instagram is very robust on finding what I need to find. I kind of like to be introduced or entertained. I think Instagram is great for brand awareness. Brand awareness and entertainment. That's really the thing that I'm like think is for. So I hope you guys got an idea. So now let's go to tribal. And let me see if Instagram will have tribal print top. So let's see what they have going here. Another reason why I am a little iffy about tribal print with Instagram, tribal print is something that is a part of culture, like a specific culture, and a lot of people try to mimic the design, and I truly like authenticity and just not it being fake. So I like to go to the source. And with me going to sources, I like to be connected with African designers who really understand the tribalism or just the print or the understanding of, what's going on with tribal. I like these pants. Yeah, I don't feel like Instagram does a great job. This is not a great representation. So let's go back to Pinterest. Hey, girl. All right, so let's go to tribal print top search. So there is, I don't think this does a great job either. So we're going to go directly to a brand that I am very familiar with, that I have worked for. I have not worked for, but worked with and gotten a couple of their pieces published. I know she rebrands. Her brand used to be called Midget Giraffe. And now I want to say it's like Honey Tribe or something like that. Is that the name of it? Yes, it is. So this video is not sponsored. This is just me winging it. But since I have worked with her, it just comes at the top of my mind. I'm just kind of just freestyling because I have some office things, and I said, let me just do some content. So off of top of this, with her being from Africa, I'm not sure which day, she has the print, but we are looking for the shirt, and I don't quite see in her designs. So this is just a start. I would start looking for like African brands. This is a nice little shirt. This is a nice little setup right here. But yeah, I'm not really seeing it, but we did accomplish finding some different mustard yellow pea coats. So if you guys enjoyed this episode of Runway, from runway to everyday fashion, definitely like the video, comment down below, comment, share, and definitely subscribe to the MIIEN Tribe, our email community. Make sure you join the community because we have a lot of fun over there. I definitely provide tips as well as just engagements and just exclusivity to my community. All right, see you in the next video.